Hey, how's it going? I'm Rob from National Smart Home, and I'm here with Arthur of Smart Home Solutions, NY.com, on Long Island. And it seems today's theme is wireless. We did a bunch of videos. We talked about Sonos. We talked about this beautiful projector that I'm going to show you the video. But wireless, and what do you have here, sir?
This is one of the most exciting products that I've seen in a really long time. It's a KEF LS160W wireless audiophile tower speaker. And when I say wireless, I want to be clear that it still needs to be plugged into power because the amplifiers are built into the speaker itself. It's got a whole slew of connections on the back that you can connect literally anything you want, from your TV through the HDMI ARC input on the TV, which gives the TV control over the volume of the speaker and works seamlessly. It has analog inputs if you want to go old school and install a turntable, which that seems to be the rage now since Stranger Things.
Oh, yeah.
My kids, they both have turntables in their rooms, and they're killing me for it. And every dollar bill they get, they're in Newbury Comics buying records. It's crazy. Everything.
Remind you of somebody?
Yeah, it does, for sure. Everything that's old is new again.
Yes.
But this gives you a fully powered audiophile speaker that's really easy to control and use. It's wonderful, and holy cow, do they sound absolutely stunning.
Not only the TV, though. I mean, you could just sit here. I mean, it's one of those. It's the type of speaker where you can take that one album that you know by heart, absolutely, and it just sounds like so brand new again. You're like,
You certainly don't even have to have these as part of a TV
right.
solution. You can have these as just a 2-channel listening room, and you can either stream high-res music from Tidal directly to it through their MQA, their Master Series, which is a nice high-end, high-resolution audiophile. And you can play those directly to this. Like I said, you can go out and get any turntable that you like and connect it directly to this. It's really remarkable.
Right.
And small for a tower speaker, don't take up a lot of space, so they keep your designer happy, they keep your decorator happy, most importantly, they keep your partner happy. And no wires.
And these are they're here on display. You can listen.
Here on display, that you come right to 48 Cane Drive in Hauppauge. We have them on display. You can schedule an appointment and come in and give them a test run, and we will absolutely, positively box them up and bring them to you if you'd like to hear them in your home.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, great, right?
Yeah, because you don't have to bring a receiver and amplifier. You just bring the speakers.
And the reality of it too, right, is that speakers sound different in different environments, right?
Right.
So the way they sound here is certainly not how they're going to sound in your house. So we'd be happy to do that for you.
True audiophile. Thinking, how is it going to sound in their house? So you probably want to go to their house with the speakers instead of, hey, this is what it sounds like here.
For sure.
That's awesome. All right, thank you so much, Rona. Art from Smart Home Solutions, NY.com. I'm Rob from National Smart Home. How do they get a hold of you?
631-584-3536 is the number for the office. You can also email us at info@smarterhomesolutionsny.com, and we'll get back to you right away and get you on the calendar and do whatever you'd like.